Well, we got gifted this 72-inch metal storage cabinet. We're going to get it opened up, put it together, show you what it looks like after we get it all done, so stick around. All right, well, there you have it. Plenty of shelves. We got an extra shelf actually, and we're going to figure out where we're going to put it at a later date when we bring more stuff out here. Easy to put together, not a problem at all. Definitely a thumbs up. If you'd like to get one for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. If you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.